Ladies and gentlemen, the Marble Institute of America is pleased to present the 2014 Pinnacle Awards, which once again produced an outstanding collection of stone project entries from around the world. The awards are open to all MIA member companies. The entries are judged on the traditional basis of demonstrating exceptional beauty, ingenuity, and craftsmanship. The Pinnacle Awards are considered one of the most important stone competitions in the industry. Of course, the highlight is the Grande Pinnacle Award for the Best Overall Project. This is the 15th year for the Pinnacle Awards, and it continues to grow in stature every year. In September 2014, 5 judges met in New York City. The judges reviewed the entries to determine awards of merit, excellence, and the Grand Pinnacle Award winners. Categories include commercial interior and exterior, residential interior and exterior, and renovation restoration. Before we present the awards, we'd like to thank the Pinnacle Awards sponsors for their generous support this year. The commercial awards are sponsored by MAPE. The residential awards are sponsored by Blanco. The Restoration Renovation Award is sponsored by Cold Spring. And of course, the Grand Pinnacle Award is sponsored by Marmomac. As in past years, the judging process was robust. Each entry is carefully studied in relationship to other entries in the same category. This year's judges included architect and partner Dan Lobitz of Robert A.M. Stern Architects in New York, architect and director Hannah Kassam of Cohn Pedersen Fox Associates in New York, architect Christian Pongratz of Pongratz Perbolini Architects in Verona, Italy, Jonathan Zanger of Walker Zanger in New York City, immediate past president of MIA, and Chuck Muehlbauer, MIA Technical Director. At the judging, we asked members of the panel about their impressions of the entries, the competition, and the difficulty in determining the winners.
Well, it's a challenge because there were a lot of good, really top quality entrants, and so to choose among them is of course a challenge.
I think the work that we've been looking at in general has been quite impressive. It's a big range in terms of languages and use of stone and types of stones being employed. But I think that the attention to detailing has been quite high, quite good.
This is actually my 10-year anniversary of being involved with the Pinnacle Awards. The decisions get more difficult every year. The bar keeps on getting raised every year.
It's important to realize that the level of competition is very high, and therefore if you're going to enter, it has to be a project that is special in one way or another. The panel of judges that we have is unparalleled. They're taking their job seriously. The debate is spirited. Judging this kind of work would be difficult for anybody.
Christian Pongratz, a judge for the past several years, says the entries keep getting better each year.
This year, interestingly, many projects from Asia, in particular Thailand. We have a set of very nice modern villas, and they all integrate stone in a very exquisite way, and they're pretty competitive. So, I mean, you see there's a kind of a range of architecture that, or clients maybe more so, that actually push towards Western ideals and materials and a kind of a style that is very impressive.
In all, the judges selected 13 entries for awards, 4 awards of excellence, 9 awards of merit, and 1 Grand Pinnacle Award. Let's look at the first awards of merit in the commercial interior and exterior category. Rugo Stone of Lorton, Virginia, is presented an award of merit in the commercial interior category for the new Center for Strategic and International Studies, CSIS, in Washington, D.C., which has achieved LEED Platinum certification. The interior space is completely clad and paved in elegant marble. The walls are clad in Tennessee pink marble with a sandblast finish. The design allowed for the appearance of the exterior finish to pass through into the interior space at all of the curtain wall intersections. The judges called it an elegant, cool interior and singled out Rugo Stone for perfect execution. Amalfi Stone and Masonry Incorporated of Sun Valley, California, captures an award of merit for the interior of Celine, a high-end fashion company's new luxury boutique in Beverly Hills. The store interior has thick, cross-cut Roman travertine walls and matching display shelves. Fire red onyx is used as an accent material on the shelves, while brown wood onyx is used for the honeycombed door panels. The feature wall is book-matched jade onyx. The judges were impressed with the elegant use of onyx and quartzite and the simple vein matching. Appomattox Tile Art Company of Petersburg, Virginia, wins an award of merit in the commercial interior category for the Petersburg Public Library Medallion. The overall goal of the library medallion is to provide the city of Petersburg with a long-lasting, decorative focal point that represents the city's rich history and bright future. The image incorporates 48 of the city's landmark buildings and other elements. The design was produced using 100% post-industrial Bohemian-style marble, granite, limestone, and onyx. The judges singled out the impressive attention to detail and called it a heartwarming effort. Creative Edge Master Shop Incorporated of Fairfield, Iowa, wins an award of merit for the Spotlight on Broadway map at Times Square in New York City, a key graphic element in a multi-year project in the Times Square Entertainment District. It's located outdoors in the granite pavement in the triangular bow tie that forms the heart of the Broadway Theater District. The graphic is a stylized map of the 40 official Broadway theaters. The color scheme is a light gray granite with the darker gray of stainless steel lettering and black granite for the streets. The judges called it a New York gem, totally appropriate in its environment. The final award of merit in the commercial interior and exterior category is presented to Carnevale & Lohr Incorporated of Bell Gardens, California, for the new Film Archive and Preservation Center in Santa Clarita, California. It is inspired by the ancient Greek Stoa of Atlos, with its two-story colonnades and classical pediments. The building consists of nearly 105,000 square feet of hand-set, honed Bianconi marble. Along the colonnades of the buildings are 64 fluted columns 14 feet tall and 58 columns 10 feet tall. On 4 elevations of the building are classical Greek pediments comprised of cubic stone. The judges called it monumental and raved about the top quality materials and craftsmanship. There are 2 awards of merit in the residential interior-exterior category. Stones and Roses International of Thailand captures one for the Bangsan residence in Chonburi, Thailand. This house sits along an array of lakes and canals and seems to float in the air. The 2 objectives of the stonework were to focus on the large framed openings and to blend into the landscape. The travertine chosen by the architect has a smooth and warm color which blends well with the wood cladding and landscape. The judges said all of the components, stone and non-stone, worked together so perfectly and praised the beautiful stone detailing. Picasso Tile and Stonework of Tempe, Arizona captures the other residential interior-exterior award of merit for the Hadstand residence in Paradise Valley, Arizona. This contemporary 18,000 square foot home is described as a perfect mix of gray limestone used on all horizontal surfaces and cream vein-cut limestone on all vertical surfaces. The gray limestone flooring was mud-packed to meet the 1.5-inch wood flooring areas using uncoupled membrane throughout. 5 showers throughout the house share the same flooring materials. One judge's comment, "A beautiful blend of materials, and this stone will be enjoyed for generations." In the Renovation Restoration category, one award of merit was presented to Wiss Janie Elsner Associates in Houston, Texas, for the Capital One Plaza project in Houston, a 22-story building originally constructed in 1982. The travertine exterior wall panels and pavers were cracking and spalling. The repairs consisted of removing and replacing approximately 250 exterior wall panels and 90 pavers, along with in-place repairs to approximately 1,000 additional wall panels. The judges called it a commendable technical effort of restoration with technical excellence, leading to a positive outcome. The judges also presented a special Pinnacle Award of Merit for Architectural Element in the Commercial Interior category to Kepco Plus of Salt Lake City, Utah, for the New Skin Innovation Center in Provo, Utah. Every aspect of the atrium is designed to exude excellence and sophistication. One of the center's most impressive features is the massive, one-of-a-kind marble desk that greets visitors upon their arrival. Shaped like the hull of a boat, the unique desk was fabricated from two very large blocks of Carrara, Pennsylvania marble. Because the shape of the desk was computer-generated, the stone had to be shaped using a 5-axis CNC machine and hand-cut to achieve the desired finish. The judges called it a masterpiece of combining sculpture with a functional piece that is harmonious and elegant. And now for the Pinnacle Awards of Excellence. An award of excellence in the residential interior-exterior category goes to Stones and Roses International of Thailand for the Navathani residence in Bangkok. Traditional Thai homes are usually built as a cluster of physically separated rooms arranged around a large terrace. This residence consists of two parallel wings separated by a large garden and swimming pool. The objective of the stone architecture is to give a sense of unity and to blend the building with trees, plants, and the natural landscape. Thai travertine was selected as the main stone for the building because it displays a strong natural character with the contrasting color hues and crystalline veins. The stone provides a sense of unity to the building. The judges hailed the project for its gorgeous juxtaposition of materials and inventive use of stone joinery and finish. There were 2 awards of excellence in the commercial exterior category. One goes to Kenneth Castellucci and Associates of Lincoln, Rhode Island, for the Massachusetts Maritime Academy in Bourne, Massachusetts. One of the goals of the project was to fill an existing surface parking area with a building that would knit the campus together in a thoughtful way. The school wanted a building that was special and different, despite the fact there were some challenges, including an existing wind turbine. A wind study determined that the roof should be asymmetrically tipped to create a more aerodynamic form. The combination of the tipped roof plane and a non-orthogonal plan resulted in a form unlike any other building on campus. The judges said the use of stone enhanced and contributed significantly to the overall design and called the building clean, simple, and elegant. The other commercial exterior award of excellence goes to Las Vegas Rock of Jean, Nevada, for the Conrad N. Hilton Foundation headquarters in Agora Hills, California. The primary goals were preserving the integrity of the surrounding environment and crafting a sustainable, peaceful workplace. The Hilton Foundation also wanted to develop a campus that would advance awareness of sustainable design and construction practices, which eventually earned a LEED Platinum designation. In Phase 1, a 22,240 square foot, 2-story office building was completed. The split-face stone cladding enhances the synergy between nature and technology by echoing the texture and color of the surrounding local stone. The judges said the Las Vegas Metaquartz stone fuses seamlessly into the sleek modern design. With glass and metal curtain walls, the stone creates a superb complement. Beautiful use of stone. Las Vegas Rock was a double winner, with an award of excellence in the commercial interior category for the Antero Resources Corporation of Denver, Colorado, an independent natural gas exploration and production company. To highlight the focus of the company, the architects created a geological theme that spoke to the earth, its strata, and the valuable resources within. The design team created an atrium with spiral stairs to connect 4 levels of office space and facilitate communications between departments. Las Vegas Rock's durable metaquartzite stone was selected because it was dramatic and emotional, but not lavish. The judges said the stone gives great warmth to the space and blends beautifully with the other materials. The selection of the stone was critical to success. And now for the highlight of the annual Pinnacle Awards competition. The Grand Pinnacle Award is presented to the best overall project among the Award of Excellence winners. This prestigious award is sponsored by Marmomac, the world's premier stone show held each fall in Verona, Italy. The Grand Pinnacle Award truly represents a singular achievement in design, stone selection, and craftsmanship. The 2014 Grand Pinnacle Award goes to the Navathini residence in Bangkok, Thailand, and MIA member Stones and Roses International Limited, which supplied the travertine, cream limestone, and gray basalt, fabricated and installed it. In praising the project, architect Daniel Lobitz highlighted the beautiful combination of three types of stone and pleasing variations of finishes. The project excels with a large variety of stone finishes and combines well the travertine color with the sleek design. Congratulations to Stones and Roses International for winning the Grand Pinnacle Award, and to all of the 2014 Award of Excellence and Award of Merit winners. And remember, when the call for entries goes out this spring, it's impossible to win one of the coveted awards if you don't enter. So please plan to enter. A special thanks to all of our award sponsors: